Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to drive a car in 2 minutes. I'm going to try and keep this tutorial short and sweet. Let's keep it to around 2 minutes. First thing you got to do, take the key, put your foot on the brake, start the car. Very simple. Once the car has been started, you're almost ready to drive, but what you want to do is take your seatbelt and put it on. I'm actually defogging the windows really quickly because they're fogged up, but that's just on a side note. That's not required unless the windows are foggy. What you want to do next is put your foot down on the brake, put the car in drive, release the parking brake, put your left signal on, check your mirrors and check your blind spots. When it's safe to proceed, steer slightly to the left and push that gas pedal just easily to start driving. If you see a stop sign, you want to come to a complete stop. There's a stop sign up ahead, so I'm going to come to a complete stop. If you want to turn left or right, you want to put your signal on in the direction that you want to turn. Come to complete stop if there's a stop sign. Check your rear view mirror, check your side mirror, which is left in my case. Check your side blind spot, which is left again in my case. Accelerate and start turning the wheel when it's safe to do so and when you have the right of way. Just like that. That's how you turn a car. When you want to start braking, what you want to do is take your foot off of the gas pedal, start pressing the brake pedal, and you want to ease into it just like this. Ease into it. Come to a nice, smooth stop just like that. Very simple. Now, on the other hand, if you want to make a right-hand turn, you're going to do what I said before with the left-hand turn, but you're going to do it all to the right. So you're going to be checking your right side mirror and your right side blind spot with your right signal, and also check your rear view mirror as well. Here's a right turn. I'm going to put my right signal on, check my rear view mirror, check my right side mirror, check my right blind spot, turn the wheel because there's no stop sign and it's safe to go, and release the wheel, just like that. And it's literally that simple. That is how to drive a car in 2 minutes. Now, it should be noted that this is just the bare basics, the bare minimum of driving a car. There is so much more to driving a car safely. So be sure to check out my other videos and tutorials on driving a car so you get more knowledge. But this is just the bare minimum. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.